Enable ghost mode in Telegram stories. So what it does is that you can see other people's stories anonymously and then they won't be able to see you in their analytics. So just go to any story and then tap on three dots in the upper right, and here it's called styles mode. So then just tap on that and then turn styles mode on to watch stories without appearing in the list of viewers. Then you can just hide the recent views, hide my views from the past 5 minutes, hide upcoming views, hide my views for the next 25 minutes. And that's how you enable the styles mode. And that's basically the idea of it. And yeah, so even if you started watching stories not in a ghost mode, and then I don't want to appear in people's analytics, you can still enable if you didn't do for more than 5 minutes. And then for the next 25 minutes you can continue browsing, and then you just won't appear in analytics. And then after 25 minutes seems you need to enable ghost mode again. So that's what it is. How people will be able to see you or not see you. So if in stories, if you just tap, you will see no views yet or number of views in the bottom left. For example, here I just have 15 views, but people only will be able to see this info for 24 hours after the story expired. And after that, they will only be able to see the number of views, and that's it. So that's basically the idea. But if you're just using this styles mode, ghost mode, people won't be able to see your exact profile in there.